watch, you're gonna catch more fish than you. Maybe fish fine if you got your bait on. Here's a little tip that I'd like to relate. Maybe fish fine if you got your bait. I'm a go fishing, yes, I go fishing, and I really go fishing too. Well, I went down to my favorite fishing hole, baby, grabbed me a pole and line. Throw my pole on and caught a 9-pound catfish, brought him home for supper time. Every fish fine if you got a good bait on. Here's a little tip I'd like to relate. Every fish fine if you got good bait. I'm a go fishing, yes, I'm going fishing, and I really go fishing too. Let's go. Well, baby brother, about to drive me out of my mind. Say, can I go fishing with you? Well, I took him down to the fishing hole. What do you think that he did do? He pulled a great big fish from the bottom of the pond. He laughed and jumped cause he was really gone. Many fish bite if you got good bait. I'm going fishing, yes, I'm going fishing, and I'm really going fishing too. Well, put him in a pot, baby, put him in a pan, and cook him till they're nice and brown. Make a match buttermilk, whole cake mama, and chew them things and chomp on down. Make fish bite if you got your bait on. Here's a little tip I'd like to relate. Every fish bite if you got your bait. I'm a go fishing, yes, I'm go fishing, and I'm really go fishing too. Well, bet you going fishing all the time, baby, go fishing too. Bet your life, your sweetheart, she gonna catch more fish than you. Well, many fish bite if you got the bait. Here's a little tip that I'd like to relate. Any fish bite if you got good bait. I'm go fishing, yes, I'm go fishing, I'm a baby go fishing. I'm go fishing, yes, I'm go fishing, and I'm go fishing too. I'm going fishing, my baby going fishing.